conference is the latest trends in pricing, but it's really nice how you meet peers from retail companies, from e-com companies, and you learn from each other. It's also super cool to finally do this physically again.
Well, this conference as have come, we had two great examples. One is from 7 Learnings, which was talking about predictive pricing and how pricing can look into the future. We also got a view of OB, which really described how they took the legacy systems forward and to bring it more into predictive pricing and making it more connected to technology.
Yeah, what's been really good is to connect with some really intelligent, like-minded people, meet some interesting partners as well who are offering some state-of-the-art solutions, and just really get to appreciate some of the challenges that are being faced across different sectors and how different participants and different companies are looking to find solutions to those.